Ever laugh too hard and suddenly regret it? Or sneeze once and, oh. Don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there too. After I had my second baby, I noticed those little leaks creeping in during workouts or even just a hearty laugh. That's when I realized how vital our pelvic floor really is. It's like a hidden hero, keeping everything supported. And here's a simple tip. Try the squeeze and lift exercise. Imagine stopping the flow of urine midstream, hold for a few seconds, and release. Do that a few times a day. It makes a big difference. Visit valui.com.au.